Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the quality of your videos in Disney Plus and how to get better quality while watching your shows. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this method works the same for you. So guys, this works both the same on phones and PCs, so you do not have to worry what kind of platform you are on. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the disneyplus.com website, to the official page, and log into your account if you haven't already. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page here where you can see all the shows that you can watch. So guys, the next step you want to do is go ahead to the top of the page and go in the upper right corner where your profile is. Here you want to put your mouse right here, and then you want to find the option called App Settings. Right here, you want to go ahead and click on this option right here. So after clicking on App Settings guys, you can see now you have been brought up to this page where you can select what kind of video quality you want. You can use the Save Data option, which will only play at low quality. You can use the Moderate option that will only play up to HD quality, and the Automatic, which will play the highest quality possible if you have enough internet for that. So guys, you want to make sure that this option right here is checked so you can always get the best quality while watching your TV shows. So guys, go ahead and click on save, and now you will have the best quality possible. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.